Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix connection timed out in Minecraft server. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you're getting a connection timed out error in Minecraft, it usually means your game can't reach the server in time. The first thing to check is whether the server itself is online. If you know the owner, ask them directly, or use a server status checker if it's public. You can also try joining a different server if other servers work fine. Then the problem is likely with that specific server, not your setup. If it seems like a network issue on your side, start with the basics. Restart Minecraft, your device, and your router. This simple step often fixes temporary connection problems. After restarting, try joining the server again. You can also check your connection quality. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection and avoid VPNs, as they can sometimes cause timeouts. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or vice versa, to see if that helps. If you're playing on mobile, clearing the app cache can sometimes fix glitches. Go to your phone's settings, then go Apps section. Here, search for Minecraft and open it. Then go to Storage section, and here, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your game data. In most cases, the issue comes down to either the server being offline or a temporary network problem. Once you rule those out and refresh your connection, you should be able to join normally again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix connection timed out in Minecraft server. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.